Google just unleashed an intelligence that smashes ChatGPT by thousands of times. It's a quantum leap that few saw coming. Will this change everything you know about AI? Hey, I'm Danyal, and welcome to Danyal Decoded. Today you are going to see how Google has quietly moved past ChatGPT-style AI and hit a new level of intelligence, a quantum leap. You'll learn what this new system is, how it works in plain terms, and why you should care right now. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of where AI is going and where you might fit in. Let's dive. What is it? What exactly did Google do? They built a system that doesn't just respond like a chatbot, it thinks differently. Imagine a library of all human knowledge, and instead of you asking a librarian, the librarian predicts what you'll ask and prepares the answer before the question arrives. That's a rough analogy. Key facts. It uses quantum-inspired processes, not just classical neural networks. The speed and scale are far beyond typical AI models. Google claims huge leaps in computation and reasoning. It's still early, but it crosses a threshold where AI answering you becomes AI reasoning for you. Think of classic AI like a fast runner, and this new system like a jet plane taking off. How it works. Here's what happens behind the scenes. Google's system takes massive data inputs, text, images, code, simulations. It uses quantum-style algorithms to explore many possible answers in parallel, rather than one by one. It filters and ranks those answers using a reasoning layer that mimics what-if thinking. What happens if I try this? Then it delivers an output that is not just plausible, but optimized for the goal. Example, suppose you ask, how do I design a new battery material? Instead of just pulling research papers, it simulates many material combinations overnight and surfaces one you can test in a week. Real-life example. In materials science, Google did a quantum-accelerated simulation that classical computers would take months to run. Here's the excitement. This isn't just better prompt engineering. This is a structural leap in how AI models are built and used. Why you should care. Why does this matter to you? Before, you used AI tools that are great for chat, content, small tasks. They had limitations. After, with this new system, tasks that required huge teams or long timelines become plausible for much smaller players. If you're a creator, developer, entrepreneur, this means faster innovation, bigger scale, fewer barriers. Imagine launching a startup that designs custom materials, drugs, or software in weeks instead of years. Objections. Is it real? Yes. Google's lab claims are backed by peer review and verification. Will it replace me? Maybe not directly, but it will change how you work. It shifts the playing field. Statistic. The jump in computational capability means you can revisit problems you wrote off as too hard. So your job is not just to keep up, your job is to adapt and leverage this leap. Let's recap the key takeaways. Google's new AI-level system is not just ChatGPT+. It's a structural leap in intelligence and scale. It works by exploring many possibilities in parallel and solving bigger-class problems faster. You should care because this changes the game for innovation, business, and how you work. Here's your action step. Pick one challenge you thought was too big. Revisit it with this new mindset and ask how you'd tackle it now. Don't wait. The future you expected in 5 to 10 years is showing up now. If this video opened your eyes, smash that like button and subscribe to Danyal Decoded for tech videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Comment below. What big problem do you think this new AI will solve next? Click the next video to learn about how quantum-driven AI will change cybersecurity forever. See you next time.